Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month, especially as inflation rages throughout the economy. Passive income can help you earn more during the gold times and tide you over if you suddenly become unemployed, if you voluntarily take time away from work, or if inflation keeps chipping away at your purchasing power. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today, we're talking about passive income, top passive income ideas for 2023, so let's get into it. Number 1, create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. Opportunity. A course can deliver an excellent income stream because you make money easily after the initial outlay of time. Risk. It takes a massive amount of time and effort to create the product, Tresidder says. And to make good money from it, it has to be great. There is no room for trash out there. Tresidder says you must build a strong platform, market your products, and plan for more products if you want to be successful. Number 2, write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potentially millions of would-be buyers. Ebooks can be relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create since they rely on your expertise. You will need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer, but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even test market different titles and price points. But just like with designing a course, a lot of value comes when you add more ebooks to the mix, drawing in more customers to your content. Opportunity. An ebook can function not only to deliver good information and value to readers, but also as a way to drive traffic to your other offerings, including audio or video courses, other ebooks, a website, or potentially higher value seminars. Risk. Your ebook has to be very strong to build up a following, and then it helps if you have some way to market it too, such as an existing website, a promotion on other relevant websites, appearances in the media or podcasts, or something else. So, you could put in a lot of effort upfront and get very little back for your efforts, especially at first. Number 3, rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. Suppose you don't take the time to learn how to make it profitable. In that case, you could lose your investment, and then some, says John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary in the Los Angeles area and author of the 7% Solution. You can afford a comfortable retirement. Opportunity. To earn a passive income from rental properties, Graves says you must determine 3 things. How much return do you want on the investment? The property's total costs and expenses, and the financial risks of owning the property. Risk. There are a few questions to consider. Is there a market for your property? What if you get a tenant who pays late or damages the property? What if you're unable to rent out your property? Any of these factors could put a big dent in your passive income. Number 4, affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best known affiliate partner, but eBay, Even, and ShareASale are among the larger names too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. Opportunity. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3% to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make some serious coins. Risk. If you're just starting, you'll have to take time to create content and build traffic. It can take significant time to build a following, and you'll have to find the right formula for attracting that audience, a process that itself might take a while. Worse, once you've spent all that energy, your audience may be apt to flee the next popular influencer trend or social media platform. Number 5, flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sales prices, and you may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. Opportunity. You'll be able to take advantage of price differences between what you can find and what the average consumer may be able to find. This could work especially well if you have a contact who can help you access discounted merchandise that few other people can find. Risk. While sales can happen at any time online, helping make this strategy passive, you'll have to hustle to find a reliable source of products. Plus, you'll have to invest money in all of your products until they do sell. So, you need a robust source of cash. You'll have to know the market so that you're not buying at a price that's too high. Otherwise, you may end up with products that no one wants or whose price you have to drastically cut to sell. So guys, that's all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.